Hey, welcome guys. Okay, on our last video we saw how to install WordPress. Now in this video we're going to go over how we can get a few settings done, how we can generally go about cleaning up a few things. That will be posts, comment, pages, permalinks and all that. So to begin with, go to posts. We'll want to trash this one, so simply click on trash. Then we can also actually go to the trash and delete it permanently, but I just like to have it that way. You're free anyway to go, you can actually, let's just do it. Go to the trash, find it, click delete permanently. There's no problem about it. Okay, next we're going to go to pages. With the pages we're going to select everything over here, then on the bulk option we're going to select move to trash, then click on apply. Then you can also do the same thing, go to the trash and delete everything. You can also do that now. Okay, again everything is select, then delete permanently, apply. Okay, now that we are done with that, let's go to the comments. There are no comments. Okay, there usually is a comment, a dummy one, but it's okay. Next, we're not going to mess up with the appearance and plugins for now. Or actually, let's go to plugins. There are a few plugins here that are normally installed by default. The Holy Dolly, Hello Dolly, and the Akismet anti-spam. You can actually just delete them. Page layer one can actually just take it out. It's just for building pages, but anyway, you can delete any plugins you don't need or require at this point. It's your choice. Actually, let's delete that one. We're going to reinstall it later on if we need it. So the classic editor is because if you don't want the Gutenberg one, you can use it. That one will help you and save you a lot of headache. So okay, let's simply go to users now, because as you can see over here, this doesn't look good. We can't really have that as our nickname. So let's go to edit from all users section. From here, simply, as you can see, you can change that username. So for the nickname, you can now just go add your name or the preferred nickname. For me, I'll go with James Mulate. Okay, now once we have that set, we can actually change up the profile picture, but for now that is okay. But you can also generate another password if you're not happy with your last one. You can now update the profile. As you can see over here, the nickname now is Howdy James Mulate. It isn't the other one. So once when you are posting your posts, it usually shows posted by who, and you really just want a very good descriptive name over there. Next thing you want to go is on the settings side. Let's go to settings. We'll start with the general, then work our way down to privacy, even though we won't be going that far. Okay, on the next page, just make sure everything looks good. You've got your URL structure the way you want it. Mine, I'll leave it as is. Okay, if you're happy with everything, for the date format, which one would I go with? Let's just go with that one. That one, everything looks okay. From there, week starts on Monday. Actually should start on Sunday, but just select the one that you're much comfortable with. Let's go to writing. On the writing side, you can actually select you want the block editor. That will be the Gutenberg or the classic one as default, or simply be able to switch between them. You can actually put that as yes. Over here we've got update service, the ping lists. You can actually just simply Google and find one that is up to date, and actually just come and add them here. There won't be problem. I'll be showing you later on how to go about doing it. So for now, just save your changes. Next we're going to go to reading. From the reading setting, everything is okay, but this is the most important part I really wanted you to come and do it. Since your blog isn't much to look at the moment, like this one, you don't want Google to be another search engines to be indexing it. So for now, just put discourage search engines from indexing this site until you've got your site looking good and with a few posts on it, 3 or 5. That would be good. Okay, next let's go to the discussion setting. From here, you want to do it comment must be manually approved. Tick that option. Then any other that you'd want, select the default avatar for commenters and all that, or users that will be using a site. Click save changes. Okay, now that you've got that done, let's head over to media. You can actually just change up a few settings if you want. Personally, I always leave it as is. Let's go now to permalinks. From the permalinks, what you want is this, the post name one. This is the most SEO friendly one, so have it that way. So if maybe for instance any of this ain't good, so you go with the post name one and then just simply save changes. At this point, you are now done with the cleaning up. Now in the next video we're going to go over the plugins, the themes and everything, but for now everything is good. I usually go to the settings and make sure that they discourage search engines from indexing this site option is checked, just to make sure that I'm not getting undone pages indexed. Anyway, I hope this video was valuable to you. If so, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and comment below. Anyway, till next time, stay blessed.